First of all, navigate to the Pages section. Then click on Add New Page button. Next, choose Add Blank Page. Option on the newly created page, click on Add Section. Select any predefined section as per requirement. To customize the section, click on the Edit option. Then change title and description as needed. To update media, click on the media icon. Choose any image or upload media through Upload File option, then click on Add Image button. You can also customize buttons through Action button option. Then click on Update to save your changes. To preview your page, click on the Preview option and assess the layout. Now, to remove a section, go to the section you want to delete, click on the three dots icon, choose the Delete option and confirm the deletion. Section has been successfully removed.